Hello guys, I am Nidhishri S. Bagalwadi, your science teacher. In the last class, we studied and completed the concept, the human eye and the colorful world. So we completed the whole concept related to light now. So let us discuss about the thing which we are using every day, and we can say which we cannot live without it nowadays. So that concept we are going to learn, and related to that concept we have two more concepts which we have to concentrate. So this is a basic concept. If you learn this concept, then the other concepts will be very easy. So let us start. As the topic name is electricity, or we can say the electric current. So when we say the current, so just observe yourself, or just think now. Without electricity, what are the things around you? Without electricity, what are the things around you which are running uh, themselves around you, which are working without electricity? Just observe the things around you. Did you observe? You switch on the light, electricity. Fan, electricity, right? Then mobile, electricity. Without charge it will not work. Laptop, electricity, right? Then what all? The steady lamp, the table lamp, electricity. Inverter, you have to recharge it first, so that is electricity. Fridge, electricity. So everything is based or working on electricity. So we can say without electricity we are like right. So here the electricity is defined as, or the electric current is normally, according to our NCERT textbook, it is defined as a flow of charges. It is that nothing but a flow of charges. So if you learn this definition in detail, when we go in deep into the concept, you really enjoy this physics topic a lot. Okay, so let us move. Let us define the electric current first. Electric current, right? So what is electric current? Rate of flow of charges. See how simply it is defined. Rate of flow of charges. Yeah, very easily we can remember this. But instead of remembering this as a sentence, let us understand this in detail and remember, because electricity is helping us a lot, right? So here first we discuss rate of flow of charges. First we discuss what is this charges. What is this charge? So it is not a charge just you plug in the cable and it will get charged. No, it is not the charge. So what is that charge? So you can remember, I hope you remember, you can recall the concept that is matters around us. That is from 9th standard. Then after that you remember the concept called atomic structure, in which we learned the atom. So what is atom? It is nothing but a smallest particle of the matter. What is matter? Anything which occupies space. I am the matter. This board is a matter. You are the matter. Mobile is a matter. So each and every matter in the surrounding is made up of a tiny, small, indivisible particles called as atoms. What is this indivisible, tiny, small particles? So these atoms in aggregate together form the matter. Okay, so this atom, when we discuss about the atom, so let us discuss about the atom. So what is this smallest particle of the matter? It is not only a smallest particle, we can say that it is indivisible, means it will not be divided further, that much small it will be. Smallest particle of matter. So in turn, this atom is made up of, certain subatomic particles. Subatomic particles means the particles which is inside the atom, which is very smaller than the atom. Listen here. Already the atom is the indivisible particle. In this indivisible particle, we have still more small particles. So what are these particles? So we studied that positively charged particles, we have positive particles, we have negative particles, then we have the neutral particles. Okay, so here if you consider this as an atom, So it is positive particles will be present, and around it the negative particles will be revolving. Negative particles. Okay. So these negative particles are termed as electrons. Negative particles are termed as electrons, and positive particles are termed as protons. Okay. Then we will be having the neutral particle, which is denoted by N, which is neither positive nor negative. So here the atom is balanced with the number of protons as well as the number of electrons. Means I can say the number of protons will be always equal to the number of electrons. Okay. That is why we can say atom will be neutral. But in some bodies, what happens if the electron number increases? The electron number increases. Electron is represented by like this. Small e, that is lowercase e raised to minus. If electron number increases than the proton, so what happens there? That body is called as negatively charged body. Negatively charged body. Okay. So in this negatively charged body, only the flow of charges occurs which forms or which creates the current. Okay, see, to define just charges we have to go so much deep. So these negatively charged body, in them the electrons will be more. So this electrons electrons will not sit at one place. So they will be moving. So this movement of electrons inside the body gives rise to the electric current. So here flow of charges we understood. Rate. What is this rate? So the number of charges which are moving inside the body. So here we can say, we can consider it as a conductor. So anything which allows the current is called as a conductor. So the number of charges which is moving inside the conductor relating to the particular time, we can say per unit time, is called as current. For example, for 2 seconds these many charges are moving. For 4 seconds these many charges are moving. So that is called as electric current. So when this concept of electric current origin, it is because of the discovery by a great scientist, that is Thomas Alva Edison, who did not fail at all to try. You remember, he did not fail in trying. He tried it and he discovered the electric bulb. So after the discovery of the electric bulb, the electric current, the concept of electric current, then they started to learn, or then they started to discover about the electric current. So the electric bulb was invented by Sir Thomas Alva Edison. Don't know how many times this person tried. He did not get a success on time or at the spot after 2 or 3 years. He tried it for several years and he invented the electric bulb. After his invention, the concept of electric current was about to open, was yet to discover. So this we have to just congratulate him, or we have to just say just give a applause for him. Okay, don't blame him. Oh my God, why he discovered? We have to study the concept of electricity. No, without it we cannot now, right? So here the negatively charged body, here the flow of charges occurs, I said, a particular time. So it is represented by particular equation. I can say the charges are denoted by the letter uppercase Q, and the time is denoted, unit time is denoted by a letter lowercase t. So we can say that the flow of charges, that is Q, per unit time, when the term comes per, so it will be division per unit time, that is T, will give us the current. So this is the equation of the current. What is current? The flow of charges per unit time, or we can say the rate of flow of charges through a cross section of any conductor is termed as electric current. So how the electric current occurs? That is due to the flow of negatively charged particles called as electrons. So how actually they move? How actually the current will come? So that all we are going to discuss in the upcoming session. Until that, save electricity. Have a nice day.